Welcome to our channel. If you want to take advantage of Prime Day and similar shopping events to unlock free trials and extended promotional access, follow these step-by-step instructions to maximize these limited-time opportunities. Step 1. Mark major shopping event dates on your calendar, including Amazon Prime Day, Singles Day, Black Friday, and Cyber Monday when services offer enhanced trial promotions. Step 2. Sign up for Amazon Prime ahead of Prime Day if you don't already have it, as the platform often offers a 30-day free trial that allows you to participate in Prime Day deals. Step 3. In the weeks before the event, create wish lists and follow services you're interested in, as companies often tease their promotional offers to build anticipation. Step 4. During Prime Day, check the dedicated deals page frequently as new offers appear throughout the event, with some trials having limited quantities that sell out quickly. Step 5. Look for promotional bundles that combine product purchases with extended free trials, such as buying an Echo device with 6 months of Amazon Music Unlimited. Step 6. Read each offer's terms carefully to understand what's required to maintain the trial, whether you need to keep the purchased product, and if canceling your Prime membership affects the trial. Step 7. Complete your qualifying transactions during the official event window, as retroactive applications for promotional trials are rarely granted. Step 8. After Prime Day, verify that all trial periods have been correctly applied to your accounts and set reminders for when each promotional period will end. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.